I am Professor Dr. Vitull K. Gupta, Chairman, Association of Physicians of India Malwa Branch and Honorary Teaching Faculty at AIIMS Bathinda. On World Diabetes Day, that is 14th November 2022, the slogan is Access to Diabetes Care. And most importantly, the focus in 2022 is Access to Diabetes Education. We all know that India is becoming diabetes capital of the world, and to prevent India becoming diabetes capital of the world, most important is to prevent diabetes. And for prevention of diabetes, most important aspect is education and awareness about diabetes. If the people as well as the healthcare providers are aware of the diabetes prevention program, only then India will not become the diabetes capital of the world, and we can curb the epidemic of diabetes which is spreading very fast today. So for Indian setup, two things are really important for prevention as well as treatment of diabetes. One is education and awareness about diabetes, and second is access to diabetes care, which is economically based. Because India is a poor country, economics play a very important part in treatment of diabetes, and by treatment we are preventing the complications and decrease the load of complications in diabetic patients. So most important as far as the slogan for 2020 goes is education and awareness about diabetes. For that there are two aspects. One is education of the general population and patients, and second is education and awareness among the healthcare providers, so that they spend time in educating more and more patients about the risk factors, how to prevent diabetes, and secondly, to make people aware that at any time they must get their blood sugar done, whether fasting or random, as well as blood pressure checkup, because blood pressure and diabetes are two deadly diseases which are contributing to increased mortality and morbidity because of non-communicable diseases in India. So my message on this Diabetes Day is to increase awareness and educate people about diabetes. Healthcare providers should be very sensitive in increasing awareness and educating the general population, and with the stress that every person should get their blood sugar done as well as blood pressure checkup done to detect hypertension and diabetes as early as possible, to prevent complications and decrease the prevalence or decrease the epidemic of diabetes. Thank you very much.
Insights from the world's best medical minds. You are watching TheRightDoctors.com.